you're seeing this message on June 12 to June 17, this is the sign for you. Spirit guides were telling me to send this message to you. At ito ang gustong sabihin sa'yo na magabay mo. I'm channeling here for the whole month of June. So if this reading resonates with you, you can go back and check this reading again. Let's see what is the collective message for everyone who's watching this video. We have here the 5 of Swords, 3 of Wands, and Queen of Swords. This is a third party energy. There is another person involved in your relationship. Okay, so tingnan natin. Okay, you are soulmates. We have here the Page of Pentacles and Page of Cups, but